Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best outdoor TV antenna that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1. 1x1 720 degrees omnidirectional reception TV antenna. Built-in preamplifier and 4G LTE filter allows you to boost signal right at the antenna and removes interference and channel loss caused by 4G mobile's phone signals, making up for signal loss from long cable runs and splitters. According to signal range, the amplifier enlarges suitable multiples to ensure the coverage extension. Easy installation with minimum effort, Cool UFO design perfectly matches your different styles from positioning of attic to wall mounting. Included 32 feet RG6U coaxial cable makes it easy to place the amplified HD TV antenna in high reception areas. No need to worry about local weather as it's made of moisture-proof and flame-retardant materials. Built-in and upgraded intelligent IC chip, which enables you to watch what you want with high definition for free, pushes in more vivid colors, stunning sound and clearer picture. Improved better reception than the old version. Please first find out where the local broadcast towers are in your area. Number 2. PBDWA 2608 Digital Amplified Outdoor HD TV Antenna. Snap-on installation. Snap-on elements, no tools required. Comes with an easy-to-follow user manual so you can install the antenna with ease. Wireless remote controller, built-in 360-degree motor rotor, built-in super high gain and low noise amplifier, includes 40 FT RG6 coaxial cable. Easy for you to place it to get the best reception in your house. Weather resistant 150 miles antenna is for outdoor using. Antenna is lightning protected, durable design with grounding done, don't get struck out by bad weather. Number 3. Lava HD 2605 Outdoor HD TV Antenna.
Times are changing when it comes to how people are consuming media. No matter how a household chooses to consume entertainment and news media, it is a great idea to have an HD TV antenna at the ready. The HD 2605 is one of the newest models of directional, high-definition TV antennas. It is able to compete with the performance of other high-spec antennas while sporting a compact design. It has a maximum range of 150 miles thanks to low noise amplifying technology that captures the most distant signals and allows access to their high definition channels. Here's what you'll find inside the box. The main antenna unit, 5 receiving elements, metal mounting bar, 360-degree motor, UL listed control box power supply, a control box, antenna mount, remote control, a bag of screws, and a set of instructions. Though this antenna operates best in open space, this antenna can be installed indoors, in the attics, and in other high places while maintaining great quality television. Users can control the 360-degree motor remotely from the antenna's control box, or simply by pointing a remote control at the control box. A splitter can be used to connect this to multiple television. Free high-definition television is available across the entire country, but most users don't know its existence or are unable to utilize it for their homes. One powerful and affordable HD TV antenna is all that you need to access this.
Number 4. 1x1 TV antenna with added stability for outdoor. Long-range digital amplified outdoor antenna. Exclusive smart pass amplifier technology allows switch on and off to get long and short range reception. Improve better reception than the old version and provide much better signal reliability on windy or rainy days. Please first find out where the local broadcast towers are in your area. The outdoor HD TV antenna is uniquely designed to support one TV. We recommend that you use only one antenna per television. When you add a splitter that divides the received signal strength between each television, which may mean that you may not get all of the channels you would get otherwise. Number 5. 5-star digital outdoor HD TV antenna.
The FSA 5809 has many receiving elements for greater reception. This means more channels and improved picture quality. Here's what you'll find inside the box: a base element, director element, and the 360-degree rotating motor. It also comes with a control box, remote control, UL listed control box power supply, 40 feet coaxial cable, 4-way coaxial splitter, mounting harness, a bag of cable clips, and a bag with screws for antenna assembly. Follow the instruction manual to assemble the main antenna with the screws. After installing the antenna, connect it to the control box with a coaxial cable. Plug in the control box power supply, and then connect the control box to the TV. Use your TV's auto scan feature when hooking it up to the control box for the first time. This allows your TV to scan for all available channels.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.